So we're supposed to identify the error here. Can we find it? Can we describe and correct the error in this statement that M, which is this point here, is the midpoint of segment AC and BD, segment AC and segment BD. This is an error because if it was the midpoint of the green segment, it would cut the green segment into two congruent pieces. But this piece has a single congruent mark and the other side has a double, so the top side and the bottom side are not congruent. If M was the midpoint of the blue segment, BD, then it would cut it into two congruent halves. But this has two congruent marks and this part has one congruent mark. That means they're not congruent to each other. So M is not the midpoint of the blue segment and M is not the midpoint of the green segment. Putting the word not in between these two words would correct it. M is not the midpoint of these segments. That's it. This would be true if the marks looked like this. And now the blue segment was cut into two congruent parts, and the green segment was cut into two congruent parts or halves. If that's what happened, then M would be midpoint, but that's not what happened. Therefore, M is not the midpoint, and that's the correction to the statement.